Welcome guys, so today I'm with this Audio Technica headphones and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your Android smartphone. So the first, you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50% before the pairing. And another step will be right here. You have to find these buttons, this power on and power off slider, and simply move button like that. Next, you have to take a look on this indicator next to the Bluetooth icon. As you can see, it's blinking, so it means that the device is in the pairing mode, and we can successfully find it on the Bluetooth list. So go for your Bluetooth on your Android smartphone, select to pair new device or simply enable the Bluetooth. Take a look on available devices list, select your headphones, click pair, and as you can see, okay, I was about to say that we are successfully connected, but okay, right now it's back. It was probably some kind of the bug, but right now we are successfully connected. So that's how you can make it step by step. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.